What up, guys? This is Pastor Canavi again. We're coming up with another tutorial. We're continuing our Python tutorial. So we're going to be talking about variables right now. So what is a variables? So variables hold a piece of information that changes over time. Yeah, you can store, or you can put you can or that variable can hold numbers, text, comma, etc. You know, for example, it's a container. Let's do this. For example, I have a savings. I don't use a bank. All my money that I have, I save it in a box. And let's give that name of that container or that variable. Let's put my box. Just put box savings. Okay. So my box savings, I have how much money I have? Let's put that I have like $100 right there. All right. All right. Should we just go ahead and run this and print on the console and see? Oh yeah, it's doing the old one because we have been working with the old. Oh yeah. Let me just fix this really quick. So we are in variables. Let's do that again. Oh, it's coming up. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry. My bad. I gotta get run right here. Go run and then change it right here to variables, and then yeah, there's nothing printed right there because there's nothing printed in the console because I have to use the word anything that wanna print in the console. I have to type the word print, kind of like we saw in the first line of code that we did, right? Our hello world. So in this one we're going to do the same thing, print, and double quotes or single quote as you wish. Let's type box savings. Oh, actually we don't need a code. Let's just do box. Oh man, savings. This is the variable, and we're typing that one in the print section. And let's run and see. Yeah, it gave me $100, right? It's $100. So what about if I already spend, let's see, if I spend already $40 to buy some shoes, so now I got $60. So let's update that. Our box savings is going to have equals to 60, and let's print again. Box savings. Now let's run it. Now we got 60 right here, right? That's how it's going to update it. All right, so that's it. Our variable that we talk about a little bit is the basic one, so you can understand how to work with variables. You can just name anything as a variable. Variable is basically a container where you're going to be adding your stuff. Kind of like having a box and you put like a bunch of books or pencils or money or whatever. That's what it is. All right. Thank you guys and have a good night. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.